bench pressing with a free weight can be quite intimidating, and the multi-press here makes bench pressing quite easy and easy to do. All we want to do is set up our pin so that we can choose how deep we want the bar to go, and then set up our bench height so that we can choose either an incline, flat, or even slight decline. We're hitting 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 12 reps. This is a compound movement. It means that we're able to use multiple groups of muscles at one time. If you need help with any of these exercises, or you want help hitting your goals, make sure to reach out to us by hitting that link in the bottom of this video and book in for a one-on-one session with one of your coaches.
No, I can't get into it.